Hi, I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking. Here at Melling, we develop and manufacture products that help professional technicians as well as do-it-yourselfers perform automotive repairs easier and more effectively. Upper timing chain guide bolt part number 5499 GMB is no exception to this tradition. On certain GM 2.0, 2.2, and 2.4 liter four-cylinder engines, the primary timing chain can become slack, causing the timing chain to slap the guide, which results in guide breakage, and eventually guide bolt breakage, which leaves the broken off bolt stuck in the cylinder head. Removal of this bolt can require the removal of the cylinder head and a trip to the machine shop to have the bolt extracted. If your engine has experienced this issue, you can install the 5499 GMB upper timing chain guide bolt. After hanging the timing chain, slide the guide up into place. Now install the 5499 GMB upper guide bolt, making sure it aligns with the upper mount hole of the guide. Now install the lower bolt finger tight. Torque the upper guide bolt to 55 foot-pounds and the lower guide bolt to 106 inch-pounds. Now you are ready to install the rest of your timing set. I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking.